No more limits, I am free. You prepared destiny. Every barrier falls away. Your power guides me day by day. Where there's no path, you make a way. Rivers flow in deserts today. I will rise and boldly go. Lord, your limitless love I know. Lord, break every limitation that has been placed on my life, whether by fear, doubt, past mistakes, or the schemes of the enemy. Let every barrier that has tried to hold me back crumble before your mighty power. Open my eyes to see the possibilities that exist in you and the destiny you have prepared for me. The Bible says I can do all things through Christ.